don't scroll. Come with me as I take you to this amazing pastel painting tutorial. Come with me. If it's your first time coming across this channel, subscribe or follow and stay tuned for more art tutorial like this. Here I explain how I do my work and break it down, as you can see in this wonderful, amazing baby painting. So stay with me as we go into the tutorial. So after having a reference like this, after having my sketch, and then begin to apply the color. Well, I might be a little bit fast here because I just want to brief it a little bit. And what I'm here precisely, if you're watching this and you're a beginner or you are an experienced artist and you want to take your art to the next level, with these little tips can help you take your art to the next level. And I'm also here to just encourage you and basically guide you in the little way I can. If you have any problem or question that you want to ask me, feel free to chat me up or drop in the comment section so that I can help you. So I'm just here to spark your brain so that if you see a work like this, you can do it. So I won't start very poor and stuff like that, but today I'm able to do works like this. So I strongly believe in you. You too, you can do it. So all you need to do is just keep practicing, keep creating, keep doing your work. Don't look. As an upcoming artist, I know there's a lot of challenges that you can be passing through, but as your mind goes for the work, you can achieve it. They say a home is where your heart is. So if you really love artwork and if you really love pastel work, what stop you from creating artwork? Just keep drawing, just keep drawing. That's the only thing I can tell you as this. So with the little tips you see here, like I draw this work even halfway before making this video. So you can see from there how I break it down and I was able to come up with the finishing work. It was really amazing. So if you have anybody that is interested in learning passport or all these things, you can connect them to my channel. Hope you learn something from today. So see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and share. Thank you. I'm out.